Okay, our trader Dale Kasdan is calling a short position. Okay, we're in short 10 contracts. We're going for a 2-point profit target. Dale Kasdan's doing our webinar right now. That is not he's using these same charts, but he's calling a live trade right now. So we'll take that trade, and we're in short. This is one of our professional traders in the pro room, one of the best traders I've ever seen, and he just called us a short just now, and it looks like we're doing pretty good so far. So far so good, Dale. Dale does our webinars Wednesday mornings at 9 a.m. and he's right now in trading in front of a couple hundred people, and that's the only place that I know of that you'll see this kind of action. You have to be confident in your ability and in the methodology that you're using, and our traders here at Traders International certainly fit that bill. But anyway, we're in 10 contracts going for a $1,000 profit target. It's $12.50 a tick. 10 contracts is $125 a tick. That's $1,000 for 8 ticks. That's the math. We're using NinjaTrader on the right, and we have our auto bracket set up. The top bracket is our stop loss. If the trade goes against us, that's where we get knocked out. And for our profit target is in green at the bottom. So we call this kind of an autopilot type scenario where there's very little to do except watch, and that's indeed what we're doing right now. You can see our other trader. That would be Rich Malcolm, called a trade off the bottom. He's about to call a trade off the top here too. But when he puts the arrow off to the side, that means just pay attention and stop going to ESPN.com, and we might have a trade here. But I'd like to see this trade go down to fruition, and it looks like it's doing it. There it is, filled. All right, $1,000. Let's look for another trade. All right, we'll take this one short again. Let's find an entry though that's reasonable. Okay, it looks like we're getting a red candle here, so I'm going to hammer this thing in right here. Come on, oh, it's running away from us. Come on, fill. There we go. All right, not a bad fill, not a great fill, not a bad fill. We're going for 4 ticks here, $500. Okay. On 10 contracts. Since we got a so-so fill, I'm going to play a pretty tight stop here. I'm thinking I'm going to bring this in pretty tight. There's no reason to take a loss on this trade, actually. We'll just play it right here. If we get stopped out, we get stopped out. If we don't, we don't. Looks like we might. Looks like we might not. This is autopilot. You just let it do what it needs to do and move on to the next trade. But this is a great trade. We're at break even on the red there. That's on the brown cube. That's where we got in at. So if we get out there, that's a wash. We got a commission of $4.50 per contract, and then but we might hit our profit here too. Still have to pay a commission. Boom, there it is. All right, 500. Not bad. Okay, we're going long here. Our trader Dale Kasdan, this is in the demo now. This is in the webinar. This is not the webinar charts. His charts are the same, but I'm listening to him give the go-ahead on this trade, and I'm not going to argue with the man. It's not one of my typical trades here. I personally would ID, but I know it's. But well, hey, Dale, thanks. All right, 2,000. 2 trades called in the webinar. Hey, it's live. Go see it yourself Tuesday and Thursday at 2 p.m.